Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is a new Snapseed series video. In this one, I am going to show you how to utilize the double exposure feature of Snapseed to create awesome pictures. I'll teach you how you can have two photos like these. Then combine them to create a hilarious photo like this one. Or get three pictures like these, then combine them to create an awesome epic picture like this one. Watch till the end to know how. Let's get started. You should have Snapseed open on your phone already. Let's open the first picture that we are going to edit. We have this girl throwing a ball here. The concept on my mind here is to edit this picture and make her look like throwing a slipper to someone instead of a ball. So first, let's go to the tools, then tap on healing. Then let's brush off the ball here from the picture. If you want to learn more about healing and other Snapseed magic tricks, you can check the link that will pop up in the screen or the one in the video description below. Okay, now let's do the double exposure. Let's go to the tools, then tap on double exposure. At the bottom part, you have an icon here for open image. Let's tap on that to select another image that we are going to double expose with a girl's picture. I'm selecting the slipper here. Initially, the second picture is over the first one with 50% opacity. You can apply filters here if you want, using the icon in the middle. But we are not going to do that. The rightmost icon is the opacity slider. You can make the second picture transparent or solid based on the opacity value. Let's make it transparent for now, so we can position the slippers in the right size and position along with the first picture. You can drag the picture with 2 fingers to resize and reposition it. You can also use a single finger to reposition. That looks perfect now. Now let's turn up the opacity to full 100%. Then apply the changes. We can only see the slippers now, but don't worry. Remember what we learned from the selective editing video? If you haven't watched it yet, I suggest you do so. I'll pop up another link in the screen, which you can also find in the video description. Let's do a selective editing now. Tap on the edit stack icon from the top right side of the screen. Then view edits. Then tap on the top item in the stack, which is the double exposure update that we did. Then the brush tool. Let's keep the brush value to 100. Then let's brush on the area where the slippers should be so that it will be visible for us. There we go. Now, let's refine the brush by applying 100% brush on the whole slippers. Then 0% brush on all the other parts of the double exposed slipper picture. This will leave the slippers to only be the visible area from the second picture, leaving an illusion that the girl threw a slipper instead of a ball. Use a single finger swipe for brushing and pinching with 2 fingers to resize. As the size of the picture increases, you also have a finer brush stroke, which is perfect when brushing through the edge of the slipper. There we go. Perfect. It's like she's mad at her brother or someone now and throwing a slipper at him in the process. Let's save the picture. Let's do another sample. Let's open a new picture. This volcano will be our backdraft. Let's go to the tools, then double exposure. Now let's open an image. We will be adding this photographer's picture. We'll make it look like he is taking a picture of the erupting volcano. Let's position him correctly here. Make it believable. Now let's max out the opacity. Then apply the changes. Let's now open the edit stacks. Then view edits. Tap on the topmost edit stack and tap on the brush tool. Now let's brush in a 100% for the photographer and 0% for the background, leaving only the photographer itself as the visible area from the second picture. There we go. The photographer's color does not match the whole picture though. So let's go to tools, then tune image, and let's max out the warmth here so that the photographer will also have a yellow-orange hue. We only want to apply that to the photographer as we don't want to make the volcano warmer, just the photographer. So let's do another selective editing and apply the last changes to the photographer's area only. Let's brush a 100% to the photographer only. Then apply the changes. There we go. The photographer's color now fits the whole picture. I'm not done yet. Let's make this more interesting and add a prehistoric flying dinosaur here. The pteranodon. Let's position it properly. Then opacity to 100%. Let's do the same process. Apply a selective editing with 100% brush to the pteranodon and 0% to the background. There we go. We now have an awesome picture of an erupting volcano with a flying pteranodon that are being photographed by a brave man. Awesome. In case these steps that I did here are confusing to you, don't worry, I have a separate video discussing the basics of Snapseed. You should watch that first. The beginner's video teaching you 5 easy steps to greatly improve your photos. I'll pop up a link above for that, and, you guessed it, you can also see the link from the video description below. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. Nova Air.